Now no Joada. Honorable Dr. Stephen Amwabefia. He was sounding very, very livid. Say, Moko on the constituency. And now say, report if in the constituency by say, or no as parliamentary candidate, no, or not or not the campaign team, not any aligned with Sedi Musi, no, as or Naka San Crofo. Ah, what you say, Mumbebusa will be after you, and assess as some Namoka, no, report me, and yellow cray, or tray. Jukad, the late Jukad, or not grant a take committee and on the campaign, or Pim say Yameto and Safran, and Tino, or Chesa Mumbra, and Mumrambe, Yisad Nifu, I said, Wogun, a honor mass and what?
Oh, me, what framing me in Nakasa? If I say, Stephen Amwa, Stephen Kweku Amwa, I'm Ofeno sticker.
Also, friend as I be.
Oh, my friend, Stephen Amwa. Which is a one friend sticker. Say, people don't even know, say, sticker no. STEKA. Stephen, no, ST.
Stephen Kweku Amwa.
Yeah, STK.
Or nine initials.
Initials. People think that when you say sticker, no, that they spell STICKA. And this and this. But I know sticker, if I say, me try me offers. Sticker, me if you grow back home. Don't know if you're French. Actually, Krobo. Would be French, Fabin Kumar's station one of Fabin Kumanako, Krobo. Ufawanako, a decade last Kumo. Krobo to him, now quite chassis. A decade last Kumo. And me, being a fee, a baby back. Stick up me, a penny. Me a penny. A worry or no me a penny. It was I my contact.
Nice.
I come home. And
our committee, I am on a buofuza.
And Sika, for whatever reason, me son of me who said, Papa, a now for. But Omu Mfie a quay anymore. We are Panda on a papa. A pay so close as a me call my hotel, yeah, Mekona, Sika Papa. It became so close. Indeed, there's nothing that I would do as a bit. It be good hufi. Na ebia emanum progressive politically me yes I dey know that na say bosim can be in Sudan so no, it will not happen. Or no na dwene say nkofo bi na bopo sembe say omugu n'anim ase na next time kra ontimi nkogina ho bi ontimi nkogina ehia so ho bi o Ken, it cannot be part of my imagination cry. You know me. Uni me say, party, MPs. Tell me, and go for so I hope say, Chemisa was protecting MPs. Yes, I say, NDC for more parliament. NDC for more parliament. On the average, will be or more averagely, will be the 3 times. Yeah, young Crawford, and then more say, more than 50% here for 4. More than 44 How can they match NDC for in parliament? So my own thinking has always been say, so people parliament. First 4 years now, building the capacity of a member of parliament. King, and yet a fit. Yet one term as then you be crowned many bakonko be 2 terms. Na you say. Senya Osinino Mrashibi. If you ask me personally, Sika or the 4 years, Afenyo will begin the second term. As far as I'm concerned, or very bright prospects. I say encouraging her, beating your queen. Pa now a boa Ghana's parliament, a boa NPP or Mrashibi. Whatever must be done to encourage him must be done to encourage him. Asama more cano say no must say on ye accessible. I know there a relationship me boa. A ye inipa any inipa sitting was and sitra. relationship with a break here. So we can repair it.
Now you feel so strongly about that because
and I'm saying no feel say a committee no anko the constituency cry. Because on no constituency no executives no can't or more cast on the committee in China. I will know why. A committee no no boy I'm cast on time no so I'm come cast on. They went to some other places. They went to Santase Market and Umkudi and Komo. Umufihoko Christian Service University. Any lecturers no, any students no, they are just come for Kudi in Komo. Umufiho ba Santase runabout. And you have almost Santase runabout no. Only be in Komo. Umufiho eko patasi krum and Umkudi in Komo. Women are part of Nshiaso constituency. What I say? Nti na ono only beef so o man go we ya. Say na me kai mini na di otchere enkomo. Na me giri say bibia be we. Ni nyina ne say the committee's reports criticism bi uma. The purpose of the criticism is to reform, not to destroy. That is the ultimate aim. Nti nsema ngrofo kai no you see fortunately constituency bia amoko no reports ewo the 47 constituencies no bia there and ya distill there you the hard language that some of the respondents and some of the MPs parliamentary candidates if anything the MMDCs hard language you use at the what I say including even some of them the president the running mate, even the candidate, and so on.
Report no. Among for a Bifa president, former president, Bifa presidential candidate no.
Yes,
Bifa running mate. Bifa one.
Maybe Bifa yes.
Yeah, in the phone.
Oh, I think about 4 or 5 constituencies now.
Also, specifically, what did they cite you?
Oh, almost say. My resignation from a parliament as the majority leader. People felt I was forced by the president to resign. Na just a whole lot of things.
But not just a one because what kind of radio station be say president more or less impressed upon you to step aside as a majority leader. And I make say, but one kasa minimum can no maybe said the one some will swear secrecy and those kind of things. But for you to come out to say that no, now I feel it was unbecoming of honorable HMS Abuzu.
Oh, King, so then any cabinet decision. Cabinet is
but so about when you said it was in the TNS or what BBC yeah. Did you have to come on radio to say it?
Oh, yeah.
I said you were doing that to slight him.
Oh, how?
How me feeling?
David, a question was asked about the circumstances. Now, the question got it wrong. And I met him saying then I had to step aside because now, you remember I said, now, some people have my baby beside say MPC be a press conference. King. And I think I did the right thing at the time, because I resigned. Because my resigner, and then kadi implosion be by party. The MPs against the party. Is it didn't KBC? Election year. Nka nkugu e ba yi. Kawe kwa nanka. Ene mi hwase mu den den so. Only MPs no. The stand off by between them and the party no can who be ni bi e mai rusu yi. Dina membe say storm bia beba. And now me soon beba. Tina me step aside. The king, that is what it is.
Professor Dubois any Michael Kwe say University of Ghana Kwame Nkrumah the see
Mr.
That's a lie.
University of Ghana
See history no ha.
Near University of Ghana bia. Near what University College of the Gold Coast. And now watch motor school.
Tienye.
Achimote school. Na no na your friend is say enkroma ebabedi akonwa no. Wono e ka kire abrofo ne say adena yense say the University College of the Gold Coast no. Yanya University of Ghana. Na abrofo ne so wo mo mpene because na ye University College to University of London. Until lecturers and professors in at a certain point apart from Buzia. Omwakani nyina abrofo. Until I say we have created.
So Buzia was the first African
professor.
Otchere there.
Our Institute of African Studies.
Okay.
Na one na Otchere African Studies. Na institute ni the Otchere na Nkrumah baby no Otchere African Studies. So then he will be at sociology department. E one na Buzia e na your friend is saying a course ye University College of the Gold Coast wa Republican wa Akufo Addo wa year free one a mistake pa nkofo bebre enim Kwame Nkrumah and declare republic 1st July 1960 and ka charter ni bibia etumi elevate university no wo de kokoma governor na Lord Luso on sign because Obeka said I saw good British your friend say Queen Elizabeth enimu ase ya sign into ya Ghana no na University College of the
Gold Coast
until say Obabeye president na charter no ya de koma parliament no mo G2 mu ni elevate ni ya de buy or de nsa sha as president into University of Ghana no 1961 University of Ghana. A fair buildings no a see one. A young crime for asase la for asase and Nkrumah edge free one hono. O see all the modern buildings we see there. Into a young Nkrumah na see University of Ghana. Ne advisors catch and say a Hopeson airport into one share year na university no was in the buildings na and no use Japanese style architecture yentetia and pass a deal the toto solo ni 1948 names modern names like Commonwealth Hall, Mensa Hall, Legon Hall because Ojifri Legon no I say honor with one hall and Ekweafo Hall. Why Ekweafo Hall? Ekweafo Sika. Ekweafo.
We can't say JB Dankwana, University of Ghana.
Kenyan Kaprempe the second impona credit in the corner. And Enkranibi, your friend Nanka Bruce. Nanka Bruce ne yusu or no what the only private radio station on the Gold Coast. And na tamwa committee tana say yes university ba kwaka fura be wono. Na Ghana for see pe. And Nigeria force wo mupe na committee ni se dabi Ghana ben Sierra Leone kakra your population nusa na Nigeria for ntimi maha omo doso dodo about 10 times more nti yensi university no ho and na yawira ho ya na prempe the second say don't worry that time Ashanti was the biggest cocoa producer region made up of about 3 regions Bunafo and Ashanti Asase no na Ken UST one.
That's right.
Oh yeah, no na and also wo ko carry cocoa bia wo Ghana no. G2 me say yanti sika ni bi nto ho near the university no. So from 1948 to 1951, leader bi anko discount 51 Nkrumah nsa so sika ni mu no. Ana osi University of Ghana cocoa for sika no. University cocoa Akufo sika no. Odisi University of Ghana. Enti on now with one hall Ekweafo hall owie na pempe the second no say wahu amanfo Ghana Ekweafo nyina sika wo de say university amaye say akasa aban so be hye men so animunyam no say to wo na mesi bia ma enye second capital where there Miami University and no see
Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology
and no catch and say
where is JB Dankwa? Where was JB Dankwa at that time? Where was JB Dankwa? After so do Kwame Nkrumah, JB Dankwa consent and we am demis sama no da. 19 letters or throw here by Kwame Nkrumah na me were copies. Or a consent or a traitor. Eti say Professor Edubuahin, na me fa the crancy. My kokwe di otiase. No me catch say JB Dankwa the University of Ghana. Yes, I feel crowd or no crowd no coffee din in the buy. Only thing in the buy.
It didn't buy a Ghana.
Ghana. Check Time Kwame Nkrumah kon do keep ko say ka.
Ghana ne ya tene say. Tamwa omo tena say omo kofa Nkrumah buy. No omo say omo pe your friend say logo. When we saw buy no na UGCC womo need logo flag bibia o. Nti omo tena say na JB Dankwa can say Kwame Nkrumah suggested say you use eagle. No Mr. say the entire. No so that famous African agri. No kasabi otaka eagles before eagles. Nti ade bia ye ben yemfa eagle emrem. No so there be eagle there say eagle on na nam ewiem. Ne wa dinkra symbol bia ne na ye pa. Dinkra symbol na dancha mienu na cross no.
That's right.
Your friend say funtum fruit ye
dancha fruit no.
Na what shall I say na Nkrumah
wow.
Nkrumah da form che na Nkrumah otchere say o za Nkrumah no that say Anno mandabre no nim no say and on the chance me hwe no say won wo me yefunu na ye ba ko no mo ano mienu no ye pese ye ka kire won say mo ano na e mienu at the end of the day mo preduane no ho say me wa so ni obedi bia ha dwene beko yefunu ba ko ho nti ye de kire o man ne say mo bia enye basabasa na the end of the day your destiny ye ba ko na Nkrumah ka kire ne say na mudi kan kontokwa ansa na aduane no abekopre na nya conflict ya na enti wampe kwa Nkrumah asem we
na me kwa kan yesi nya amane
yeso ko fa di so bra kwa Nkrumah say Ghana no be say Ghana there no say that famous the first Western Sudanese empire Egyptian civilization the Guyano the first black civilization the Guyano the second black civilization was the kingdom of Ghana. It has been proved they say accounts and when you fi intina woman yen use no say there be you be use akanman Jabi danko
what's up
akanman tinka na wo be wo say e ka akanman na we enkrania you are not covered where you are not covered not na you are massa we Ghana you are not covered and Nkrumah to me a dispute say yenye enti no ye boguye and no maintain the name Gold Coast one and nam say one Nkrumah tirimu the following year na 1948 riots by and Odru was students of Atta.
They be no offering can or Cape Coast.
Call a second D.
No ko share grant.
Ne omo head office no. Salt Pond. Salt Pond oko. Nti okodru Cape Coast na problem ya ba. People were standing in clusters say yeah yi wo mu adikura. No say no yen create school be like an evening school or any there you better register as it's a workers college a private workers college. Right. Now immediately on here we find a plunge on the first headmaster of that school omunya obi uncompleted structure around no kasache students and any teachers no say omu me yusu eho no mo say there be now your structures papa be at the side
na ko patro man I will say
no say there be say me man so pa na me kwa ko
pa broni a cho
e mamusa na mo ma money assuring you say anche be abeje fa hudie ni eje fa hudie a say school will be one of the best in the country mo campus no so be so asen other schools na mo kan efe so no Messi Ghana National College ni be in every region because of Niamo Mayan. On the Ghana National be Akufo Addo, on the bisu watamali.
That's right.
Na yan Nkrumah team pasa region be as
Ghana National College.
Where
was Jabi Dankwa?
Wow. And the dean of Ghana National the Ghana no na etoso. Na 1948
before independence.
48. And I nyansa won the team. It took 9 solid years before we had our independence. And so now what and so I didn't want to be say a beje fahudie.
Lawyer, TV, very simple.
JB Dankwa. JB Dankwa,
they say people teach are defeating it 3 times. People teach are not JB Dankwa a lawyer.
And Tiasian so say, Tio, Tiasia say, Tame yeti Matime Hono. Immediately after the 1951 election, around 52. JB Dankwa no uyo. JB Dankwa was 65. And then Asante Bediatuo Meye, the leader of Matime NLM. Na leader ni ya bafu akoto. Enti mpachao. Asante Bediatuo nsuadio. Ye ni bibia wa Ghana. Ye friend Dankwa buzia tradition.
Ebi ni bibia.
Ayantro. Aye JB Dankwa supporters. Led by Nyaubo Nidina Wewu no professor.
Eduboy.
Aha, omu na edu won adwen kase edi biti asantefo se asantefo na edoso. Indeed, Asante edwunu hu mienu ahu nke omu be yi president sa kosi da wiase besen. Na unity na ni wontem no mu nye ready so mbe asete wo ho. Na achemfo na wo just about 6 constituencies ni mudi won chi no. Ana da bia mu nya problem. Na till Metropolitan Ashanti kwa wo 47 constituencies. Metropolitan Ashanti. And a new region a create ama Ahafo. Ahafo is 100% Ashanti.
Oh, yeah,
who 6 constituencies.
What the count?
47 plus 6. Nya 53. I'm so one kunta na nya papa.
53.
One can in term na me what I say? No wa call Asante North, Asante South, Asante Central. Na you part of Ashanti Empire.
That's right.
We are Aguna so edrum no mfra Asante na baba gu ho.
Aguna be say na ho.
So what you say? Central region Aguna so edrum. Obanya be 3 constituencies.
Be wuro ngwa bagu mu.
Na Breman Sikuma. Ono so kwa Breman for so Fikuma se Breman na eba he. So what you say? Na wa ba kwawu. Obanya be 4 constituencies o kwawu ye 100% Asante. We are wa ba New Jabe North and South. Internet say out of 277
275 no more than half
no Ashanti nko atra ni nsam say ya ne ownie wo wi a efei omunuanom etese dagomba ana oti region ana nzema akotoko tina make sure say Asante toto wonu ma yi a nka Ghana politics ni nipa bi o mu pese odi president na wodi ana mwama achimo buakwa royal house no aye smart ana omu angu ni saade no ana omu create imaginary yibia NC dan tro say dankwa buzia tradition and make catcher we say buzia wu 65 other na Asantefo ne te party first one NLM second one UP United Party no mu di buzia bedi anim samre na dankwa te ase wa ben okuta PhD no mu so mu po bia wa ben obe challenge Kwame Nkrumah eni nti ne di dombo si nchen no mu di bafo akoto si nchen no mu kofa buzia me pa chaw dankwa na so ye member other one may leader one can Asantefo who is so ye part of them and the reason was very simple. United Gold Coast Convention no mutie no omo constitution no e wo mu se wo mu pefa hudie for Eastern Province and na ye Greater Accra and Eastern Region Western Province and na Western Region and Western North Region and the Central Province others na enka ho others no enka ho tinanke se JB dankwa etumi be ye first prime minister na president of Ghana Kampacha Asantefo nim se nko mu nka Ghana ho yenuanu mosremfo nim se omu nka Ghana ho ewefo nim se omu nka Ghana ho nti tamu Kwame Nkrumah de ekon no call Asantemo mo chere prempe di second we no se ai nkofo ni tiri mo de o nti fa hodie no wo mo hwehwe ne ye nka wo se na wo nka ho no se ne meye won wade bi why you ready so obeko ma ye ready Why crado? Why a crado? Betuma Kuama, what you found who dear mammy was an anametimi. Sadly, I mean, my dear be. And no, never what you mean, a dear in Quinim. Ashanti Youth Association is the biggest youth association on the Gold Coast. Mena media, 1 penny for a bini alaram ponsa, Vito Usu, Krobwa Duse, Kwame Sanapoku Jantua, any Nunia, Franklin Adubo Bijantua. Me the one ma enti wode won bedi Nkrumah echi no na Nkrumah mu ye do because they became part of the committees for youth organizations na ye part of the UGCC and they share Nkrumah say as general secretary direct to Obabedru South ha na say 48 riots no wono na akofa ba say ye pamono so momo pamenu afire ku anu mu woni nipa etamachi aya Asante hene odi nipa de atamachi nti Ashanti Youth Association no ene ma ba Nkrumah chi dom ma wotumi beje fa ahudi a Asante hene title no de ma no dan wo kire mu se ya ka so oni kan ko mankasi mbebua
no be san ko wie ye wa Asante hema ho ene mo wie di wie ye de ma
no osa agefo nti Ghana de ye ka JB dankwa no wa ye bi no ye academic
ye den na Ghana
academic work
academic work be dey here
there be so no say Ghana ni
say akaso Ghana ni but ye kaso ye den na Ghana
academic work no ye ade na in politics no e ho no
politics ni ye kan
ye dey akosoro too much mesrew ye de akosoro
ye da akosoro too much
ana fen so ye ntiase ye se mateme ho no nka ho the party no egu ye nti 1954 no a o so mu enya 3 seats pe ewo 1951 election no nti ye beto 54 de no na chese o mu aban no wonu de na adwuma ba awie ye kora asantefo na use ne biem ewo wiase nti ye den na ne ye say dankwa buzia tradition buzia there that time no ya santini because Bono was Ashanti West and ofri Bono wenchi nti na that time no ya santini 100%. Oti ase no ya sante na sante fo no ko fa ne ba se leader na dankwa de na sante hina hu se wodi ne ye bibia nye ye because no time asante so wo do asante a nke Pa Grant was just a businessman
sure
ono sika no wo na nimidie no nka mo ta na chi no na mo beka kira ne se yanfa ekonu ko ye nuanu asante fo esrem ene ewe ana mo gitu mu se ase ho nko na ye be operate na se Kwame Nkrumah de abeka ho ne enwini a na obi te ha o se je bi dan kwa agefa ahodie
wo hwe de ekona oho ye du ba bi a esese won a actual history books okrom ha nyina no ye fra won for questioning won actual political history okrom ha nyina ese ye fra won ye busabusa monsem say number 1 time no mo trust as no madwin mu da ho number 2 say no madwin mu da ho a eye nipa bonesem number 3 wo mo share da ana say ye beyie wo a share da actual political history okrom ha Professor Dubu Ahewewu yentimi nyane no but Professor Aaron my kokwe otiase ese ye friend ne ebusa these questions no answer e titru you people a ewo kruma actual books say no na ese ye manusua ewo secondary schools universities ne atro wo kosua history ewo Ghana ha say one kan Aaron my kokwe Professor Dubu Ahe book there history no be faili. But political history no much no. Does it correspond with all the histories in the world about Ghana put together? A correspondiana? The answer is no. History Aaron Maikokwe, Edu Buahin, and all the rest Troye, sa you before the Troye ni nano. What fa books and what sisu na bom. Eye pe ba wo fa omi enu no de na edifa. What it means is that said they will twist Ghana's political history to their advantage. It is a Peter na ya ade a by force as I say the come ekon. Umpo fa mekon. Eti say one fa man called the that just said the awotro no and the awo can no correct. Maybe some we series we next year. See, number 2. Enra, His Excellency the former President of the Republic of Ghana. Nana Danko Akufo Addo. Eka we chebi presby asore them. Say Openi JB Dankwa and Kwafon Jesse will pass derogatory comments and remarks about him. Say, and samana ye keke bifa JB Dankwa hono, and ye correct. Asamana, Honorable Mutala Muhammad Kai, no, so I saw ye traitor. JB Dankwa concerning men am catchero. And I'll prove it this morning. It is already table iswa. My bomb with the new set of books, Saba. Books we are University of Ghana, Legon Library or machine or Munibi. I brought new books. I have repeated Dark Days in Ghana, the Green Book, Ghana, the autobiography of Kwame Nkrumah, and then with the other books about. A child will say, as I'm a senator, as I said, sorry, and some come here to say the camera and the far, the titles ni. Chebi dan kwa concerning and adano mete ya say ahemfu bi ne nkrofobia gunsane ade say den no me see me pede oso oye bema a wo see wa kan Ghana history now unim Ghana about some political history no just come and sit here that's all brother better baby I'm here of it so feel say aha meme baby I'm here adwumanti wan hwa wonye comfortable wo hontowa wo de yen kwa Accra Sports Stadium na yen fa microphones mienu si anim wo say wo na wo ye obi a wonim the political history of this country but now and let's discuss JB Dankwa me so e konkonsani abraba ye bo mem ha ye ho antoye na fi JB Dankwa question number 1 then JB Dankwa ye ma Ghana mon kana minti I'm asking one question. Obi chama de ba ko papa ba ko pese a JB Dankwa ye ya. Ye betimi di yensa atene so. Say si ho. Say watro ye papa efa Ghana ho. Ebi wan. Cheme one say ba ko say. A JB Dankwa. The reason why you do baby, na JB Dankwa ne buzi antem essay no. Me ka kire wachina. Maybe you don't know. Edu baby na JB Dankwa de buzi antem asai. Konso san kwadi buzi aso ho konkonsa. Me say I am looking up to solve me try obi so obi be unity. Gabby otchere darko Dankwa Institute me boa. Otchere article bi I think this was around 2011 or so 2012 baby. Was it that time? No. I think it's later than that. Well, whichever. Yawo papa bi Anno ye Ghana US ambassador to Ghana Kwame Nkrumah time. Sa papa no. Otchere assembly for JB Dankwa ho. No, you United States of America, American ambassador, no what Ghana had that time. Kwame Nkrumah time as na make no. Papa no bo form o makola no, na sam na make no. Obo form say pepra tam. US ambassador wa form pepra e o makola. Your friend Professor Richard D. Mahoney. The friend Richard Mahoney. Otchere book bi JFK Ordeal in Africa. JFK Ordeal in Africa. Now, papa the book no Otchere no. Ukwa chapter 6 Now or come in some about Ghana. He wrote another memoir. And our title some memoir they say JB Dankwa, the patriot of Ghana, or a question mark oh. Bisa say it's JB Dankwa or no JB Dankwa no. Na oye no kwafo adwen papa amanyo o mani ye die woni tirimu ampa ana. Ono na trust abuku no. JFK Ordeal in Africa. We'll quote chapter 6 of that book. Chapter 6 started from 157 page 157. What was that book? No, page 157 and chapter 6 no started. Thank you now, Anna. What are you because me come by me. Chapter 6 of that book. Who will be a what soft copy no? Page 157. So this copy be and we first say where can say yes soft and they hard. It's a hard copy there. We on page 156. What will be the kind? 2nd June 1961. Am I right? Yes. Papa ya your friend JB Dankwa no ko jail. Kwame Nkrumah che no. Den tina Kwame Nkrumah che no. That time, we throw 19 concern letters about Osage for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. I have copies of all the letters. It may say, political historian be a work room. Would you know Kukudro Nabra? Jebi Dankwa concern or Kahuna Ghana Yebre. And I didn't see Atche, and it has taken me almost 7 years, apart from the books now. It taken me 7 solid years. Going deeper into this. And I can chest out and boldly tell you, sir, JB Dankwa or a concern Ghana ye in Africa JB Dankwa. And I'll prove to you and a China, Ukiada, and a Yawada. Name for this week. But serious way there, a trauma could see next year. And say, why, Bibi Baba, Fifem, near court, near Papa ne trust our book, no. Chapter 6, no, and some be ho. And then I got you darko or trotto Dankwa Institute for website. Says Sikabia na America for Triama JB Dankwa, so because why concerning no Ghana Hano. Na ye US Embassy and an etrias Asikano, Emma JB Dankwa. Na mom na CIA and an etria Gabby Mebwana. Why did you pull that thing down? A year is one, Gabby Ochedako, a pulley, Sadian down. It's now in any case. Mete, Menyajuma, Meyajuma Media General, but Menyajuma TV3. It is a TV3 for prepare on payroll. Patrol Captain Smart in Bebasu. Mete, Menyajuma American Embassy. It is American Embassy. Prepare on payroll. Anyone want more allowance. Sabenya shema USA and then American Embassy betuamika. Now this is the deal. JB Dankwa timer and concern 19 or Tete Kwame Nkrumah factory where JB Dankwa will do nothing about the factory but will start writing disparaging letters and comments and serious and concern about Kwame Nkrumah to UK. And you know what? Russia was monitoring JB Dankwa, and if you want to dare me, it can be found in this book. Okay. If again you want to dare me, you can still find it in this book. Remember, so proper. Again, if you don't want to believe me, go and read Richard Hall's book that he wrote, Kaunda, founder of Zambia. You will find it there. Now listen to me. And then go and read Professor Richard D. Mahoney, Ghana, U.S. former ambassador to Ghana, joined Osage for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah's time. The friend Mahoney. Time at JB Dankwa fi Okwada prison no. Next CIA etua JB Dankwa busua foka. Say fan we aduane come prison. No a CIA asset. Now let me break it down so you can understand proper. Say CIA ni we adwuma. One more 2 categories for foreigners. And one more 5 categories for one United States of America. Mapa, one person who use one proper. It's either you are an asset or you are an agent. Say US CIA catch us away one more asset. Umo dupache agent. Asset no 1 within concern. 2 within securo. Number 3 and some I want many more. Ebetimi amo minor here. US ehwehwe o monsan kan no wo na wo de koma mo eti ye fa de say Peter ewa adwin bi a wo de tirim o pesa o ma onua ye yi a na ekọ hyekire ekọ te adwin ne pe pa no de mirika na wakoka say hey good afternoon o wo plan foforo asande aba mo anso ano a mo te wasa ano ama Ghana abaye te say America mo de mo ntena ho na mo hwe na ye bi before ne de ese ekoso asa aso mo Fidel Castro wrote this speech 29th anniversary of the attack on the Mokanda garrison. Grammar, 26th of July 1982. Go get the speech and read. Me say, it has taken me years so to learn about JB Dankwa. Oh, yeah, Kwankwansani. He's not just a traitor. Padini ye Kwankwansani. And I'm daring anybody. Yes, share one-on-one. Bring your documents, I'll bring my documents. Bring your books, I'll bring my books. I am daring anybody. The question is that when the first copy or the copy of Kwame Nkrumah's 7-year development plan no, policy no etu kwan or the coin Jebi Dankwa the coin or the coin ahina Jebi Dankwa the coin Jebi Dankwa told the CIA say listen, for the very first time he told the CIA say Ghana's independence means nothing to him. These were his own words. And I have a document to prove it to you. I can't just take him in Fienson to investigate that man. JB Dankwa Katre, CIA say, Ghana's independence na Kwame Nkrumah ni hu hancho, or pesa Ghana din ho, na Ghana be your man ni mo do, ewe bibrem ha nyina no. It means nothing to him. There's a document to prove. He wrote officially. So let nobody sit anywhere in this country and think that JB Dankwa did something for this country. You can never change the history of this country. Back to the main story. Go and read JFK or Deal in Africa. And tomorrow I will show you pictures. Echira me mfoni betcha me bodia na me the picture na to ho bam me bodia na me the picture na to ho bam me bodia na me the picture na to ho bam no obi ani so ada ho cause it has taken me 7 years because me your school no wo chese ye ka Ghana history a JB Dankwa then I said no akware yaje obi ani onyama ani kwan se oje. So let me take my time and investigate this. We said Dr. Addo at a point, I traveled with him to somewhere to go collect books. Chapter 6 of that book. JB Dankwa the prison, no. And then people said that JB Dankwa was rich. He was not rich, Bia. If indeed JB Dankwa was rich, and then the CIA and the Trianica. And this kind of man a bush for me. I didn't want to come out of prison. Can I stand? People will try to twist and turn our history. It will not wash. It wouldn't go anywhere. It will never happen. Not anymore. I'm saying. Emra kotoka kan se kebe ya enkofa Kwame Nkrumah mra no bedi na ban no nkrachifo bi okurum ha sorry ti ai e chen be bo mudin ya ka to se oman no se de si kodme ade ya me ya pa okurum ha ne se maka cho dada o se professors mienu am bo wundin ya ofa pani ba ya wa be bo the same thing Professor Dubois Professor Finn and latter day saint Professor Michael Ron Kwei
otchere me political science na me ntwawa no ono ni obi a oba bechira de wo school hwa Professor Michael Kwei that time no Dr. Mike Okwei
okay tie
na de bia ntokwaba class ho because ono ne subject ne politics in Ghana and ono adane politics in Ghana na entro because Nkrumah enesi temahabo kra Michael Kwei beka chiro say enya Nkrumah na si na abrofo no wasi dada and obeto so eye pa grant sika £100 and ye de kofa Kwame Nkrumah fira burochire ba ya Michael Kwei betwa ntro aka chiro say JB Dankwa lawyer ni nu a woni sika no wono ni sika ene ye kokko ede ne kofa e bai nti se ba ne say nipa so kaya de imagine say asema mike ye 1989 89 na me was second year very good 1989 na me ye ono ne subject no na me dika ka cho say earlier on 79 na me di 16 years pen but to read the challenge of our time. Na ma sign read a myth is broken there in the say as at 89 no margin no 79 more elementary form 4
I don't know what you say
I know na adwene mo bi na 89 na mo university makọ secondary school awie akọ 6th form awie na mo university second wo be twa ntra kire me say jebi da nkọ wesika akọ akọfa Kwame Nkrumah de aba na in any case o wesika mpo a say ye nkwala no say pani bi esikafo na ewo krom ni omo na tete mi man kwala na tete mi ni wi a hwan na to ball no nya sikani no na to ball na wo see players na nkọ to ball park grant at party. Now the whole West Africa, not only the leading timber merchant. Now say ye Kwaku General Secretary for Otchere Aba. Na party member bina, ye didn't see catch ticket. And you no chairman. Now my Kokoya be chat intro we say or no ba could be a friend.
Message is before so yeah bomb at the pass.
Oh, I don't know your boy. Me meti hope obe chantro. No man na Waku kuduro samre no be esra de so ye ba make o down usuro. Na akwa we your friend say esremfo no. Oh, students, wọ́n bí ọmọ nsúrọ̀ hwee, madam for bakwa ayi Mutashiru Dari, ọ̀nà no way yin enim dabi ani group anu wọ́n ete ewo the same land, wọ́n na tumi sọle, na wọ́n challenge Michael Kwe, chantra sa, na wọ́n challenge no we jani na wọ́kọ. Me say me ye ni student. Me say me meeting in law school, abra no ba be ye law no. Me pacho mi ni Michael Kwe ye. On pen Nkrumah asem wo kwan bia so na wo pen asem en ha adwene. Ete se me so me mpe kotoka asem no. Enso no kura wom ni ade papa kotoka ye se ye mfa Nkrumah mra no. Enu na maba be kan ha no. Kwame Nkrumah no mpe JB dan kwa asem. Enso tama na Obie Institute of African Studies o share yi sa yi center ne se se mo betumi aye research akọ mo animu a before mienu bi one writings no ehia pa mamon toto na se and obo Professor Anton William Amo first black scholar ofri one obo JB Dankwa no not sure that book be that can concept of God or the chere abrofo say nyo mu na introduce the concept of God no nyame nyamu no mte ni enim dada and Nkrumah had read that book and was given honor to JB Dankwa. I don't know what Michael Kwe there. So 1 + 1 because you say free Nkrumah when instead of 2 because say 4. All because of the name Kwame Nkrumah. Emi de so we not here. Now otchere.
Thursday.
Oh, you're very dishonest scholar. Very dishonest.
Very dishonest.
Dishonest. Yeah, Brecha baby I can professor and I say a JD free so. Yes, Chantra cannot correct Michael Kwe. I'm telling you, you are a liar. Yes, a dishonest academician.
And the
challenge
may have thrown the challenge, say, Obi or any other history and document other than the year one. CIA and I want to be my challenge. Why? What are you talking about? Before, sir, my back radio, and today I'm disclosing my secret to you. A radio or TV station, my wife gift you OTM. Only me say that night, no, me pack me books in na makosha me nephew, makosha koku ebimu. Just and yes, I mean that though, just to ensure, say, and you're not crying me babeka. If you say no social media, what can we are, who could one, and yeah, right,
and yeah.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.